Welcome to our culinary journey, where wellness and delectable dining converge through low carb choices. As we embark on this adventure, it's not merely about reducing carbohydrates, but enhancing our plates with nutritious, vibrant ingredients. Our highlighted dish illustrates that low carb perfectly coexists with high flavor and satisfaction in meals that foster a healthier lifestyle. Join us as we explore the benefits of a low carb diet and unveil the delightful meal we're preparing today. This culinary exploration isn't just about food. It's a step towards a lifestyle where each bite signifies a leap towards improved health. Let's dive in and discover the simplicity and deliciousness of low carb eating. Welcome back as we delve further into our low carb culinary adventure. Today, we're meticulously guiding you through each step to craft a meal that pleases both the palate and body, aligning with your health and wellness goals. Now, let's start with preparing our ingredients. This crucial stage shapes our meal, with each vegetable chopped for uniform cooking and lean proteins measured for optimal nutrition and taste. Precision here ensures a harmonious blend of flavors and textures. Next, we explore cooking methods that emphasize nutrient preservation and flavor enhancement. Through techniques like pan-searing, baking, or sautéing, we transform our ingredients into a rich, nourishing ensemble full of tantalizing aromas. The final assembly marries creativity with discipline, constructing a visually appealing and strategically balanced dish. This isn't merely about presentation, it's crafting an experience where every bite guarantees a burst of flavor and satisfaction. Throughout this journey, we've shared insights and techniques emphasizing the beauty of a low-carb diet without compromise. It stands as a testament to how healthy eating can be simple, approachable, and varied, empowering you with choices that complement your lifestyle while still delivering culinary delight. Remember, this journey is as much about discovering joy in nutritious eating as it is about experiencing the flavors that excite us. Each meal is an opportunity to nourish ourselves wholly. Let's take forward the insights from today and continue exploring the boundless possibilities of our culinary adventure. And with that, we present a delightful low-carb meal suitable for any occasion. As we conclude, remember that a low-carb lifestyle doesn't equate to flavor compromise. With our serving suggestions, every meal can be a sensory celebration. Embrace your creativity to personalize and enhance your dishes. Seeking more low-carb inspiration? Fresh, whole ingredients are your go-to allies. Keep exploring, stay motivated, and embrace the journey. This recipe is not just a meal, it's a gateway to a joyous, healthy eating lifestyle. So, dare to try it and let it mark the beginning of your vibrant low-carb journey. Thank you for sharing this path with us. Let's continue to find joy in healthy, flavorful eating.